So how long were you in Ontario?
I lived there 11 years.
Wow. And what made you like move out?
God.
तो मुझे क्या लग रहा है एट द एंड ऑफ दिस ट्रिप मैं ओंटारियो छोड़ दूँगा मेरा भी यही मन है
ये मेरा भी लग रहा है मेरा मन. What do you think?
This restaurant?
एग्जैक्टली मेरे को भी शेयर
अबे रुक. We're back with another video. The first day in Regina was, we were tired, like, because we crossed from Ontario, Manitoba, and like, you know, entering Saskatchewan. By the time we got to Saskatchewan, we had driven almost, I think, say for 14 hours. मैं खाना खा के आया सीधा वाटरमेलन दबाया इसने यहाँ पे दबा और भड़ाम हो गया भाई. Next day, me and Jeffrey went out to go do some grocery, made some breakfast. We didn't have any plans because it was really hard for us to, because there's no network on the way, and it's really hard like when you get Insta messages and like from people. So what was happening, there was no plan by the time we reached Regina, and we were super tired by the time we got there. So what we decided was we'll go with the flow, and Chirag started messaging a lot of real estate agents. Hardik started messaging a lot of like replying to students who wanted to be part of the video. Overall, I would say Regina is a very small town. When we got there, we first went into a Walmart, which was a fully stacked, like a normal Walmart. It looked like you were in a suburb of Toronto, like some one of these like small towns, right? So Regina basically is a legislative building for like, that's where everybody hangs out in the evening time, and there's not a lot to do there.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा टट्टी रहा हूँ
भाई ये तो शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया यार.
Chirag hooked us up with Mr. Matharu. He sells commercial real estate mostly. I'll put his Insta and everything in the link. If you guys want to contact him, if you want to buy a property in Regina, Saskatchewan, maybe you can contact him, commercial or residential. So he basically is the broker of record for, I actually don't remember the name of the brokerage back in my mind, but I'll put the link for all their information in the description. From there, we decided, we actually met with Mr. Raj Verma, who was extremely knowledgeable about the real estate thing. So he took us around for a tour, basically showing us houses, what you can get in Ontario compared to, you know, like where you can get in Regina compared to Ontario. And what I noticed was they basically build new houses. There's a lot of new developments going on in Regina. So I would say it's the future. Like once people start selling, like people coming from India or people coming from different parts of the world, when they start immigrating to all these small towns, like they will eventually become as big as Toronto or something like that. But the only drawback with Regina is it has a very harsh winter, and since it's prairies and most of there's no wind blockage. I've heard, I'm not 100% sure, like, you know, when there is during winter time, winter months, that's the only time you can't basically go out at all, or it's really harsh winters. And since it's out open, the wind is really strong, like they can flip over trucks and stuff, so it's kind of scary. But overall, Regina is a very small, quiet town. Like, you know, you don't really see much of action going on. There is a good Indian student population there. I actually noticed there were tons of people in the legislative building, mostly Indians, and they're just chilling. So not a lot to do in Regina, but I would say The best thing about being in Regina is the universities are super cheap. Like the cost of university in Regina and the cost of college in like Ontario or like say Quebec or BC will be the same. Like say you get a university degree for the price of a college degree. So that's one thing. So you get more points for your PR, and obviously for jobs, most jobs, although it doesn't really affect, like I wouldn't say if you are really talented in some kind of occupation, you don't really have to really have like the greatest of the degrees or anything like that in Canada especially. So overall a great experience. I also shot my first what do you call it, first listing video, because I'm starting to get into the real estate listing and like basically making small short videos, since I'm kind of enjoying making cinematic videos, and I love doing that kind of work. So I'm also drifting towards that kind of line of work, and basically I'm reaching out to brands and realtors and like how I can help them to make their videos for their social media or like say anything that they need for marketing purposes. So I shot my first video for Mr. Raj, and Raj took us out for lunch. He basically told his story, which was amazing, how he moved from India. He had a successful business in India, and basically he did all kinds of odd jobs in Canada, and now he's doing very well. Like he moved from Ontario to Regina, and I'm gonna put that
So
story.
I finally
also, like,
made my first
everything
listing video
came out for him.
and this is something that we can do in future, like as a, because we already are part of the social media circuit anyways, so we can even promote realtors or any businesses that want to showcase and make some cinematic videos for them. Raj is your guy if you want to buy a house in Calgary, oh sorry, in Regina, my bad.
And houses, all the rich people will come.
Yeah.
Now they have changed the thing. Even if somebody has a $400,000 to spend, still he can live in this area.
Wow.
If you go with
is
Castlemore or those area like
No way,
yours,
no
what
way.
is that?
Gore Road.
Mississauga Road.
Mississauga Road, Gore
Nobody,
Road.
cheaper house, nobody can live there.
No, yeah.
So
Doesn't
this is
exist.
not there.
So how long were you in Ontario?
I lived there 11 years.
Wow. And what made you like move out?
God. I was telling him what made me to move in Canada. When I moved to Canada, I was making 150,000 rupees per month
Wow.
in 2001.
Wow.
I used to own a business
Nice.
and I moved to Canada, starting a labor job. My first labor job was $8 per hour. I was washing the car parts in the asset. That is my first job in Canada.
Oh.
And now I have a more than $2 million equity here in city.
Wow. Nice. Anything can happen, guys.
Overall, I would say Regina, out of 10, I will give it like a 6 in terms of lifestyle and like what you can do. But overall, like in terms of money investment, obviously the property doesn't go that crazy. Like property rates, like say I bought this house in last year, it's already gained almost 100K in the last year. That's how the property market is in Ontario. Compared to like, it will not move like that, but the rental income, if you want to invest into rental incomes, if you want to get rental properties, you can get cheap rental properties, and rent is more or less the same in Ontario and Regina. The travel transport cost is cheap, but the only thing is the frequency of the buses are low. I didn't hear any kind of negative about people being racist or like anything like that in terms of if you're looking for a student experience. Overall, great city to start your life in Canada. Like I would probably think about investing in Regina one day, maybe in a big residential lot or like a multi dwelling unit, something like that. So on that note, that was it for me in Regina. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody who's planning to move to Regina. And I would say it's a not bad city for somebody who is coming here. It's much cheaper to live. The education is more or less the same, and I think you get your PR quicker as compared to any other province in Regina, in Saskatchewan. Thank you.
Yeah, that's crazy. I mean, you can make connections living here with millionaires.
6178.
Yeah.
This is also 2200 square feet house, sold for 490.
Wow, right next to a $3 million house.
But we are living on the same street.
Yeah. So So I can guarantee you the neighborhood will be awesome, like full of educated people and
This all is a high-end.
high-end
This
like
whole area is
cream of Regina. So there you go. That's Regina for you guys. Peace out. See you in the next video when we reach Edmonton. Bye.
Thank you for watching Mostly Motor Vlogs. Peace out.